Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are well and healthy in your home. Today is your English calligraphy class. So let's start it. Let's start. Write in a proper way, neat and clean. Firstly, we are writing here tomorrow. Say spelling out tomorrow. 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 Start from near the red line. Yes. Start line, make circle. Tomorrow. Say spelling out tomorrow. 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 Tomorrow means आने वाला कल. Tomorrow. Once again. Tomorrow. Say and write. Tomorrow. Do practice in this line. And next we are writing here a sentence. Yes. Blood is thicker than water. Say spelling of blood. B. Make curve. Come down. Touch the black line. Go up. Touch the red line. B. L. OOD. Blood. After the word take distance. Slant line. Yes. Is. Thicker. Say spelling of thicker. TH. Yes. IC. Next is KER. Very good. Thicker. 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 Then. Yes. Then. Water. Come down, touch the black line, go up. Make circle, touch the red line, come down, slant line. Yes, water. Blood is thicker than water. खून पानी की अपेक्षा गाढ़ा होता है, मोटा होता है. ठीक है. Blood is thicker than water. Do practice in this line. And next we are writing here difficult words. Say spelling of dinosaur. Dinosaur. Say spelling of dinosaur. Yes. D. Slant line. Touch the black line. Make circle. I. Yes. DINO. Dinosaur. Dinosaur. SAUR. Saur. Dinosaur. 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 And next we are writing here jungle. Say spelling of jungle. 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 Z. Yes. JUN. Jan. G. Yes. L. Touch the red line. Come down. Jungle. Say spelling of jungle. 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 Dinosaur and jungle. To practice in these two lines. And next you are writing here rainbow. Say spelling of rainbow. RAINBOW, rainbow. Make curve, come down, touch the black line, go up, make circle, come down. Rain. Say spelling of rain. RAIN, rain. Bow. B. Touch the red line, come down. Make circle, W. Rainbow. And next we are writing here music. Say spelling of music. M. Make curve, slant line, touch the red line, come down, touch the black line, go up. MUSIC. Music. Say and write. Do practice in these two lines, rainbow and music. Dinosaur. Jungle. Say spelling of dinosaur. DINOSAUR, dinosaur. Jungle. Blood is thicker than water. And tomorrow, do practice, say and write. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.